Hey there, fishing enthusiasts! If you're on the hunt for the best floating fishing nets to make your next catch a breeze, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be diving into some of the top floating fishing nets that are not only durable and easy to use, but also perfect for keeping your net right where you need it, floating. As always, you can find the links to all the products mentioned in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Plusinno Floating Fishing Net. The Plusinno fishing net is the perfect companion for every angler, offering both practicality and convenience. With a 15.8-inch by 11.8-inch hoop, 11.8-inch depth, and 16.7 handle, this net's classic design not only performs well but also looks great in photos. The net features foam padding along the hoop, ensuring it floats, making retrieval easy if it falls overboard. The rubber-coated, snag-free mesh is gentle on fish, ideal for catch and release, while also resisting waterlogging and odors. Its lightweight aluminum handle is both durable and foldable, allowing for easy transport and storage. Plusinno's innovative design suits all fishing environments, from boats and kayaks to streams and oceans, in both fresh and salt water. This versatile net makes a thoughtful gift for fishing enthusiasts of all ages. Number 2. KastKing Pontus Fishing Net. The KastKing fishing net combines high-quality components and thoughtful design for superior performance. Made with a durable 6063 aluminum alloy handle and FBR frame, this net is both strong and lightweight. Its floating EVA foam padding ensures easy retrieval and prevents accidental loss. The foldable and retractable triangle-shaped net hoop features a push-down switch for compact storage and quick setup. The nylon-covered PVC netting is snag-free and fish-friendly, reducing harm during catch and release. A built-in measuring scale allows easy fish measurement while keeping them in the water. The bright orange EVA handle provides excellent grip, even in wet or cold conditions, and is easy to spot. Available in multiple sizes, the Pontus net is versatile for various fishing styles and comes with a storage bag and belt clip for convenient carry. Number 3. Plusinno Foldable Fishing Net. The Plusinno fishing net offers an upgraded design tailored for convenience and reliability. This second-generation floating landing net features a triangular shape with 2 float tubes added to enhance buoyancy, ensuring the net remains afloat if dropped from your kayak or boat. The telescopic and foldable handle extends from 28.3 foot to 34.5, making it easy to transport and store. With a hoop size of 15.5 inch and a depth of 14.5, this net is compact yet effective, and its classic design looks great in photos. The rubber-coated, non-snag net is crafted from durable nylon with a strong hexagonal mesh structure, designed to be gentle on fish, aiding in catch and release and minimizing harm. The lightweight yet sturdy build combines carbon fiber, fiberglass, and EVA for a skid-resistant grip. Whether fishing in fresh or saltwater, the Plusinno net is versatile enough for all environments, from boats and kayaks to rivers and oceans. Ideal for any angler, it also makes a thoughtful gift for Father's Day or any special occasion. Number 4. Black Paw Floating Fishing Net. The Black Paw fishing net is a well-crafted, versatile tool designed to enhance your fishing experience. With a hoop size of 15 inches by 16 inches and a depth of 12 inch, the triangular design offers a wider opening, improving your chances of catching fish and providing better control in the water. Built from corrosion-resistant, saltwater certified materials, it's perfect for both fresh and saltwater fishing. The built-in 2-way measuring tape, 0-inch 14-0, allows you to measure your catch directly in the net without removing it from the water. Foam padding on the hoop ensures that the net floats, making it easy to retrieve if dropped. The rubber-coated, snag-free mesh is gentle on fish and prevents waterlogging and odors. Engineered with high-quality 6063 aluminum alloy handles and a durable FBR frame, this lightweight net is built for strength and portability. It folds easily, making it convenient to store and transport. Ideal for various fishing environments, the Black Paw net is a perfect gift for any angler. Number 5. Plusinno Steelhead Floating Fishing Net. The Plusinno fishing net is designed for anglers who value reliability, portability, and ease of use. Equipped with foam padding around the drum-shaped hoop and a lanyard cord with a clip, this net ensures it floats securely, preventing it from sinking or getting lost overboard. Its collapsible design features a folding handle, yoke, and hoop, making it easy to store and transport in a backpack, trunk, or boat. The push-button mechanism allows for quick setup and compact storage. The waterproof rubber-coated mesh is tangle-free and non-snag, minimizing harm to fish and making it perfect for catch and release fishing. Constructed with high-quality aluminum alloy, this net is strong, durable, and lightweight, providing excellent load-bearing capacity for larger catches. Versatile and suitable for various environments, it's ideal for fresh and saltwater fishing, targeting species like bass, walleye, and trout. This durable, easy-to-use net is a great gift for any fishing enthusiast. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the following video.